Many organizations depend on an IT infrastructure that is aging. Just when they need to deploy greater server, storage, and network capacity, UPS systems have been deployed over time to serve data centers, network closets, and specialized IT spaces. Those UPS systems may no longer be able to provide the power, reliability, and visibility required to meet today's needs. Today's business-critical applications have more demanding power requirements and sometimes limited rack space. Virtualization and unified communications put more data on fewer servers and network devices, and multimedia requires more storage. Power demands escalate even when rack space is at a premium. That's why Emerson Network Power developed the Liebert GXT3 UPS. Liebert GXT3 offers significant advantages over other UPS systems: higher availability, greater efficiency, and lower cost of ownership, along with rigorous design and seismic certification. And it can be ordered with a web card that enables remote SNMP-based monitoring to provide greater IT control and protection. The Liebert GXT3 provides true online protection in the smallest footprint available in its capacity range. It offers external batteries for extended runtime and internal bypass capability, resulting in continuous uptime for the connected equipment, plus ease of scalability and hassle-free maintenance. And it fits right where you need it. Let's look at why the Liebert GXT3 UPS is a better solution than alternatives on the market. Battery failure is the single most common cause of UPS downtime, so the first step in improving IT system reliability is to achieve greater battery reliability and longer life. IT managers who use Line Interactive UPS systems for business-critical operations will benefit by converting to the Liebert GXT3. It has a wider input voltage window than competitive models, reducing battery wear and extending life. In fact, this UPS offers about twice the reliability of the typical Line Interactive UPS system. Let's look at some ROI numbers, the initial and multi-year total cost of ownership. While the Liebert GXT3 UPS might be a little more expensive initially, consider that in just over 2 years, you would need to replace the battery of a Line Interactive system. So you'll end up saving more than 30% with the Liebert GXT3. In 5 years, your cost savings will be about 50%, and you get all that savings plus higher reliability and better power protection. If you've had power disruptions, you could benefit from continuous conditioning of your incoming utility power. A fault-tolerant online UPS like the Liebert GXT3 is the answer, because Liebert GXT3 converts incoming AC power to DC and then back to AC completely conditioned before distributing it to the load. That way, the power it sends to your servers, storage devices, and network equipment is clean and safe, without the potentially disruptive power anomalies you may see with other types of UPS systems. And with the industry's highest power factor, the Liebert GXT3 lets you get more UPS for your money. That translates to lower total cost of ownership. There are other advantages as well with the new Liebert GXT3. Its power output distribution is unique in the industry, giving you greater flexibility for configuring output for changing loads. Another unique feature is its Zero-U maintenance bypass, giving you the ability to switch to utility power for UPS maintenance. And it doesn't take up valuable rack space. The Liebert GXT3 is also the smallest UPS on the market. The 500 to 3000 VA models take up only 2U, the 5000 VA and 6000 VA models 4U, and the 8000 VA and 10,000 VA models only 6U. The Liebert GXT3 2-year warranty is also superior. It's the only UPS system warranty that provides overnight shipping of a replacement UPS with no questions, and pays both outbound shipping and return shipping. Finally, this UPS is supported by our network of local data center design and service experts. The 1000 to 10,000 VA models are even offered with a 5-year service package that takes all of the headaches out of preventative maintenance and battery replacement. Liebert GXT3 UPS is a true online UPS system that ensures continuous uptime. It is an ideal fit for business-critical applications with demanding power requirements but limited rack space. To learn more about the Liebert GXT3 UPS, go to Liebert.com.